Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Friday. It's the 15th of May, halfway through the month. And this is your weather wisdom for today. I'm going to make this fairly quick. It's a pretty straightforward forecast. Today we've got the clouds, cool, only in the 50s. That storm to our northeast did not bring the rain that I would like, but it did do what I figured, which is we got dry slotted. We just had a little slug of rain yesterday afternoon, a little more during the overnight hours, a couple of showers around for today, and that's it. By the way, we are sponsored by Valenti Farms in Needham for all your gardening needs. This is a good weekend to go check them out. Today's actually a good day because it won't be crowded over there. And check out their tomatoes, peppers, and all that stuff. You can pick it up. I'd be careful about putting it in. You could put it in today, tomorrow, Sunday. I would not put it in, or Monday. I would not put it in Tuesday. It's going to be up near 90 degrees, and then just wait until Memorial Day weekend to put the other stuff in. So that's what I got going on. Temperatures tonight down to the 40s with the clearing skies. Sunshine for Saturday in the 70s. Sunshine for Sunday up near 80. A little bit cooler for the Cape and the Islands. We're up 75 to 80 on Monday, and then 90 with some humidity rolling in here, especially Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday. 2-day affair. So not a heat wave. That's got to be 3 days, but 2 days of 90-degree weather, especially inland. Have a great day, everybody.